Assalamualaikum, how are you? I'm Janjua. Hope you all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I have brought for you 3 most important tips for IELTS reading. Reading has always been very problematic modules for the student of IELTS, and most of the students get confused that they get very less band in reading modules. So today I'm going to give you 3 magical tips that how you can improve your IELTS reading. Remember one thing, we have to improve reading comprehension. And reading comprehension is very important, that you have to comprehend the passage first. And remember one thing, the topic is very important. Whenever you understand the topic, you understand the rest of the passage, because topic of the passage, it worth than a lot of words. And you have to comprehend the topic first, and then you have to infer that what might be there in the passage. So I give a special tip for the new learners for IELTS reading, and that is the translate. For example, translation method is very important for the new learners and the beginners who are going to appear for the IELTS test. They must take the word from the book and translate, type this on the dictionary and just get the meaning. So in the beginning you will have to translate your English passages into Urdu, and then you can get a lot of meaning and variety for this. This tip is only for the beginners, and you can also get here from the Google voice as well, that you can speak the word in English and that you can get the translation of the word. So in the beginning I recommend you that you have to translate the Cambridge book 1, 2, 3, 4 into Urdu in your native language. Whatever your native language is, you just have to translate it in the beginning, and then you can get the very important vocabulary regarding the IELTS reading. So the another very significant tip for the IELTS reading is skimming. Skimming is basically to get the main gist of the passage. This is very important. And to skim the passage, you just have to go through the beginning of the paragraph, middle of the paragraph, and the end of the paragraphs, because most of the questions which are asked in IELTS reading modules, they are basically asked from the particular paragraphs. And when you skim, you get the clue word from the passage, and keeping clue word in your mind when you go for the search, and you get the desired meaning and answers. So skim means to get the main gist of the paragraph and your topic sentence that might be in the beginning, middle, and end of the paragraph, and this is very important. The next tip is scanning. Scanning means to get the particular words and information. For example, when you scan anything in computers and from the scanners, you get the exact copy and exact thing of that particular passage or documents. So in scanning, you have to find the exact word. For example, if you are going to get any important date, if you are asked to get the name or the percentage of the particular person, so you just have to focus on that particular word, and that is scanning. It is a targeted task. So these were the very crucial tips for the IELTS reading modules, and reading is very essential modules, because we do not read in our daily basis. We should go for the reading in the daily basis, because reading will enhance your background knowledge. I recommend you to go for the newspaper reading. I recommend you go for the articles reading. I recommend you that you must spend time for blog readings, and get the style of the writers, because when you read, just get the style of the writers, that how he has written in the paragraph, how he has criticized the matters, how he has concluded that particular issue, and what kind of transitional devices he has used. So whenever we read, we must have a pencil or pen in our hand and just underline the main words and just get the meaning and then you can develop this habit. So hope you have enjoyed the video, and just wait for my next video that I am bringing for you, the most important one. Subscribe my channel for the new and informative videos. Take a great care of yourself. All the best. Thank you.